Hi guys, I'm Nick Ewing, an employment specialist with the Mesa County Workforce Center, and today we're going to go over building a resume with the Resume Builder. We're going to start by going to the Mesa County Workforce Center website, mcwfc.us, and we'll hover over Job Seekers and click on Career Coach. Now on Career Coach there are many options to explore. We're going to go to Build Your Resume. Here you can log in or you can sign up for a profile for a career coach. Our first step is going to be contact information. In contact information, you're going to put your name, your email, your address, your city, state, postal code, and phone number. And when you're done, you'll hit save and close. Next up, we're going to work on our work experience section. In this section, it'll give you a place to select your past job. You'll type in a general job title and it'll populate several different occupations that are available that you can choose from. You just find the one that matches your most recent position the best. All right, we've chosen construction laborers as an example. After that, you'll put in the name of your employer and then the city and state that you worked in. After that, we'll put our start date and end date. Make sure these are as accurate as possible, but they're also just going to be the month and year that you started and ended. If you currently work there, you'll select the box and it'll adjust that to say present. You'll notice on the right side that there's a list of general tasks that are typically associated with that job. You'll just click plus next to the ones that actually apply to you and your experience with that position. And then once you've done that, they'll populate in the list below. Now that you have those, there's also the option of entering in a custom task. You can type in whatever you have experience in that may not have been listed there, and then hit plus, and that'll add it to your experience tasks. Now we're going to add another work experience for our resume. It is recommended to add as many as possible on this foundation resume. That way you can whittle it down to target for job applications in the future. Now that we're done, we'll save and close. Next, you have the ability to arrange your experience. You can click on the little arrow on the top left of each one and move it around to adjust the order. It is recommended to keep it from most recent to least recent order though. Now we're going to fill out our education history. In here, you'll fill out the degree. If it's just a high school diploma, you'll choose high school. List major as general education. You can choose to put in your GPA or not, and then you're going to fill out city and school, your start date and your end date. The end date's going to be your graduation date. And you'll do this for all of your education that you have any kind of certificate for. And even if you don't have a certificate and it's just some time in college, you can list that college and then list what your major was while you were there. Now we're going to move on to the skills portion, so we'll add skills. Here you can either search for skills, kind of like we did with the jobs and the occupations, where you type in what your job title was and then it pulls up a list. So you'll pull that up, it'll give you all the relevant skills for that occupation. You can just hit plus on all the ones that apply to you. As you can see, there's a bunch of them. But what we're going to do is go to by our work experience, since we already entered in those jobs. And then from here, it lists out all of the ones pertaining to the jobs you put in your experience section, which is really convenient. So you go through, I'd add about 10 per job that you have on your experience, and then you'll see them populating on the left side. You can also enter custom skills, like welding inspection, add it to it, and then you have that there. Like I said, we're gonna try and stick to about 10 per experience, and that way it'll give us a pretty comprehensive list. And you can move on to the next experience that you have there. Now we're going to move on to professional links. Here you can put in anything that links to a website or anything that you have professionally. I put it in a LinkedIn profile for this person. And then once you're done, you hit save and close. Now is our chance to review everything that we've done. You can edit or remove any portion of this. and you can arrange it how you need to. And then you have the opportunity to save if you have a Career Coach account, or you can download the Word document that's created. As you can see, we have a complete product here with all of our work experience, our skills, our education history, and our contact information. This is a great foundation, and I recommend working on it from here to target for your job you're applying for. Thank you for watching this video on how to create a resume using the Resume Builder. If you'd like more information or assistance, you can give us a call at 248-7560 or email us at jobservice@mesacounty.us.